Hey there. I'm doing a box opening from Amazon, and I'm enjoying some coffee. And what I'm going to do is open this up, tell you about what's inside. First alert, smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. I got it for only like $23. Thought it was a good deal. I put it on all the channels. I use Twitter and Facebook, and there's a link to it. And I'll probably put a link to it in this movie. Opening it up, as usual, harder than hell to get open. See if that did the trick. Nope. Keep on going after it. And that's about it. Out it comes. Batteries are in it like they said. Right there. Instructions, warnings. Warning, carbon monoxide can kill you. I'm going to first alert, first class, like I said, $23 on Amazon. And it's ready to go. Huh. Pretty cool. I like it. Wife asked me to fire up the furnace. It's getting cold now. And this thing's going to be put in the right spot. We're going to test it here. It says test weekly. Okay. Oh Lord. That's way too loud. Okay. I think it's done. Oh no, it's not done. Done? I think it's done. Alright, so that's my first alert. I'm gonna go over to the local hardware store and see how much this similar thing costs. Batteries included, smoke and carbon monoxide. And remember, always, do not paint. Okay, I went to the hardware store, took a little road trip. My hardware store had the same item on the first alert, smoke and carbon monoxide detector, $39.99, and the price I paid from Amazon was $22.36, and it was called out as a deal, and I put it up on my website. And so there you are. I put it up on my website, so there you are. So the hardware store cost was $39.99, and the Amazon cost was $22.36. Check out my website on Twitter and you'll see the deals that I find on Amazon.